the fuck? Yeah, it's 7:30. Yo, what's up guys? I hope you guys are doing good. I'm going to NS right now. I'm going to Halifax. I have to take the TEF exam. I don't know if I'm ready. Even though I'm a French speaker, I'm a French native speaker. I'm gonna tell you what you guys need to know in order to get ready for that same exam in case you need to take this exam. Yeah. Let's go guys. Who doesn't gas up before a trip? Go exactly 4 hours left. It is what it is. So I'm actually going there for the TEF exam. It's a French text you can use it for school or for immigration purposes. Damn, it's already $50. This is called insanity. Let's go pay for that shit. Come on.
Maybe credit or debit?
Credit.
Can you read your air miles number off to me?
8417.
Would you like your receipt?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Good day.
You too. Oh God, it's cold. So I'm hitting the highway now. My goal is to, during this trip, listen to the most French audio book I could like think of, or the most French videos of people talking about the TEF exam, so that I can feel like soaked into the exam and ready for it. That's an option whenever you're gonna take the test. I should probably tell you what you need to expect for the exam. So the day of the exam, before the exam, wherever you're taking your test, they're gonna contact you. They're gonna reach out to you and tell you that, yo, your exam is confirmed for tomorrow. Please bring your passport, bring your IDs, keep a headphone. Actually told me that, keep a headphone for your listening session. They also made mention of COVID, but you know COVID is not, right? So I didn't have to. They were like, don't worry about it, but we still have to make mention of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Abeille. Avion.
Bro, I went on SoundCloud and I thought I could find like an audio book, a French audio book. Listen to this, bro.
A comme abeille. B.
Elle a 5 ans. Elle est en train de dîner dans sa chambre à la toute petite table.
YouTube is the way to go. I swear guys, YouTube.
La remplace.
I was like, nah. I'm gonna use SoundCloud. I need SoundCloud. Because I was like, yeah, I need to have an eyes on the map. And I will be listening, because if you have YouTube on, you can be like, you can check the map.
Where did you go when I needed you most? Where did you go when I needed you most?
I am officially in Nova Scotia. I just crossed the border. So I believe the first big city, once you cross the border from New Brunswick to Halifax, is Cape Breton or Cape Breton, I'm not sure. Then there is Truro, then there is Halifax, then there is Dartmouth. If I'm going to Halifax, that's where I'm taking my TEF exam. So I completely forgot that they have toll gate here in Halifax. Oh my god, bro. I mean in Nova Scotia, I would say. I forgot. I think last time I came here, the toll gate payment was $6, and you can pay with either tap, like your credit card, debit, or you can pay with cash too if you want. I forgot. I just saw it. Like I was driving and on the sign said get ready for the toll gate payment. I'm like, wow. I think you guys can see this, but on those blue sign there, it's telling me how much the toll fee is. So for cars it's $4, it says, and for a toll commercial vehicle it says $3 per axles. So that you guys can have an idea of how much it costs. Like, so you can see it says They take tap, they take cash, they take e-pass. I got no e-pass, I'm just tapping. Hi, I'm good. Good?
Need a receipt?
Nah. Thank you.
Second for the gate.
Okay, thank you. I'm taking my TEF exam with Alliance Française. It's a school. I think it's a school everywhere in the world. They have a lot of spots. Like they're everywhere. So they sent me a convocation like I think 1 or 2 days ago. So I just got a phone call from them. He was double checking if I got my convocation, and he was speaking in French. So if you guys are like, I don't know how it's gonna be, bro. Like I was thinking, like, because I know English people are taking the French test, and some like are not super great in French, but they know the trick to pass the exam, right? So how are they gonna do to have a conversation in French? So I'm like, because he was literally speaking like French. He was like, yo, bonjour Sabiq, j'espère que vous allez bien, vous avez reçu la convocation, I was like, yeah, j'ai reçu ma convocation. He asked me if I, like, because in the convocation they said I should keep a headphone, like I was saying since the beginning of this video. So he asked me if I kept it and if I have my ID. I said yes, I have my convocation. Yeah, I have my headphone, I have the convocation, and I have my driver license. Or do I need to keep my passport? He said no. Any kind of ID with a picture will be enough, you know. So that's some kind of information you might need. So I'm letting you guys know. So I made it, I'm here. My friend asked me to go to a restaurant to eat. I wanted to try it out, but it was hard for me to find a parking spot. And even where I park, I don't think I'm allowed. I might get fined if they do a control or a check or whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna try to find something to eat real quick. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to Boston BiqSa and get something to eat. I'm super hungry. I don't know where is the entrance though. Excuse me, do you know the entrance to Boston BiqSa?
To the bus stop there?
No, Boston BiqSa, the entrance to Boston.
Pizza, sorry. Oh geez, if it's not that right there.
It says it says use. I think it said use the other door, so it might be the door right next to
Maybe
it.
so.
And I thought you was another door.
Yeah, that's okay.
Thank you. I must be super dumb. So this shit here said please use the other door. The motherfucker thought. Yep, I thought it was a whole different door. Well, no one is taking care of me here. I guess they're busy. Maybe that's what I thought. It's different though. Like the Boston BiqSa in my city is like bigger, huge and other stuff. This one is different. Hi. You work here? You work here?
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying to get some food. I want to use the washroom first.
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
We're just like 5 seconds.
Alright, cool.
A few moments later.
Hi. Can I have your menu?
Sorry?
Your menu.
Yes.
Thank you.
There you go.
Do you have like any kind of burger?
Burger? Yeah, it'll be under the sandwiches. There you go.
Let me try this.
The chicken clubhouse?
Yeah, that one.
Did you want to side with that? Like fries or salad, mashed potatoes?
Maybe salad.
Salad? Caesar, garden? Absolutely. Do you want something to drink?
With beer, mug.
You got it.
Okay. What can I say? Whatever?
Yeah, help yourself.
Okay.
And I'll bring you your cutlery and drink and everything for you.
Alright, cool. So, just place my order. I have exactly 30 minutes left. Will it be like, I have like 30 minutes. I have to be somewhere in 30 minutes. Can I get it like, will it be done before then?
Oh, it'll be like 10, 12 max.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll bring you right back.
Thank you. So I have 30 minutes left. I think I might have to take away some because I don't know. 12:16. I have to be at that spot for the exam at 12:45, guys. You know that unless you can get it done before I go in, I will take it to go.
You want it to go instead?
Yeah, but is it gonna be there in like 10 minutes?
It'll be less than 10 minutes. It'll be ready in less than 10. Yeah.
To go.
To go?
Yeah.
Machine for your meal today?
Yeah, credit.
Yes, sir. And the chicken's almost out. I'll have it out for you.
Cool. Thank you so much.
No problem. Do you need your coffee?
No, I'm good. You too.
Two separate one dinner.
I'm so tired. Okay guys, so I got here. It was hard for me to find a spot to park again. So it's 9:45. I'm gonna get in and try to pass this exam. I will keep you guys posted when I'm done. Okay, see ya. So I was done with my exam and yeah, I got it fine. I got it freaking fine, but it's not crazy. I think it's just $25. Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good. So I just finished my exam. Everything went well. We started with the speaking. Speaking was 5 minutes of speak for the first part and then 10 minutes of speaking. So it was 15 minutes for that part. Yeah, I think I did pretty much good. Then after that, we did the what do you call it? I think it's like you read the test and they ask you questions about the test. So that one was like 1 hour. Then from there we did the listening. The listening was about 45 minutes, 50 minutes I would say. And it was literally the audio was going and you could like respond to the question. But before even that, the one when you read the test and you give the answers, you can go through the question and go back and forth, you know. But on the listening side, you couldn't do that. It was just you listen once and you give the answer right away. Okay. Then after that, we did the writing. The writing was 1 hour, and we had 2 sessions. We had to write minimum 80 words for the first session, and the second session minimum 200 words. Actually, yeah, minimum 200 words. So it works out pretty well. I was kind of anxious and stressed at the beginning, not by the fact that I can't speak French because I'm French native speaker, but by the fact that I forgot my vocabulary and my grammar and my words and stuff. But I think everything worked out perfectly good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I'm super freaking tired. I'm gonna try to find something to eat. I'm gonna decide between sleeping here for the night or going back to my town. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next video, guys.